some other well-known vlogger, they they have a lot of gadgets that they may use, because the first one to support yourself is yourself. Hello everyone, good evening. Well, this is your story, Ronnie Harobel, and tonight, for this my new video, is I just want to talk to you about to support ourselves, reality. And I will say, I'm not I will not to be a hypocrite that I did not support myself. Supposed to be the number one supporting on my channel or my content creator is also is myself. As long that we always do an algorithm, there's always a secret for that. Although my views is some are higher views and some are small, uh, just only few views, because I did not really work for that. But I understand about to work on how to more on views in in my video. Well, and that's the problem that we always encounter supposed to be, is how you could support yourself. So for me, in my experience, and I know you did the experience too, that we need to support ourselves. So why some um, a well-known vlogger or content creator, when they are always posted their views, is they get a lot of views when when they posted, when they upload. You know why? Because the first one they're going to do is, yeah, it's that's very true. They need to support their, yeah, first themselves. Okay, that they might that they're when they got more views, then the algorithm is, will post on every, visiting the YouTube website, or, yeah, or platform, I mean. So when our views is really high, so the algorithm is willing, are now producing in the platform of every viewers in here in the YT or YouTube. So I want to share with you, and I want to make it, say, the first one to support is ourselves in our channel. Yeah, the number one fans, the number one supporters is yourself. That is very true. See, and it will be categorized of how we could be more on views. Well, for me, that's why I have some views that are really, uh, only few views, but some are really high because I really work on it. And that's my secret today, and I want to share with you that you may have more on earnings. So the problem for me is only my time, my efforts, my if I'm going to full time. Supposed to be I'm not full time in this YouTube, but if I am going to full time, maybe I can reach out more views and reach out more earnings. So there's always a secret how to high views, more on views. I mean, so number one, this is a very secret. And I told before, the secret is, I'm gonna say, is the first one that we have to do is support yourself. Okay, that algorithm will produce more watchers on your channel. That's very true. Yeah, it's very true. I always work that, and I really, yes, I saw and I understand really that. Although I'm not like others of some vloggers, content creator really got some higher, thousands, million of views, or 100,000 of views. So I'm not like that, because they really have had, doing full time in their content. as being a content creator or as being a vlogger. For me, is I'm only a short, just only by short time or just a part time. I did not really focus on it, but I'm gonna share with you that tonight. The first one is to support yourself. Second one, so how can you support yourself? I mean is, or I meant is the prior you have to do is to support yourself. So the question is how to support yourself. The only one thing is you can use gadgets as long you can work in algorithm. Okay, that's very simple. You can make more accounts. Okay, so more gadgets, more computers, as long you can always do a work on it as um, algorithm. Yeah, so you will see what will happen to your channel. This is my experience, and that's why I have a lot of I have five. I have one tablet, um, uh, five phones. I have a laptop and I have a computer. So, but the problem, my laptop is already broken. It's already broken, so that's why I cannot use anymore my laptop. But it's really true. So that's why some other well-known vlogger they they have a lot of gadgets that they may use, because the first one to support yourself is yourself. Okay, yourself will support yourself. So that's why that's a very secret. So I hope you will apply to you. It's depending on you. But the important is you have to be careful. The IP address, you have to be careful. I'm sorry, and I tell you right now, you have to be careful about uh, your phone. Although your phone is already a SIM card, so you can use that SIM card, and well, that's really investment. So you can load, okay, and you can use some. Although I cannot share, I will share you to another video for that, how you can increase your earnings. So another part of gonna talk to the on the another video. We're gonna share with you that way that you can be more on earnings. Well, this is tonight. Is we gonna talk is support yourself. I am only a small content creator. That's why I really support myself. The number one fans is myself to support my channel. Yeah. So I need only some gadgets, load, SIM cards to use it, and I have a Wi-Fi. So it is very true. We really need to invest. If you don't invest, then there's no success supposed to be. Okay? That's very secret. Support yourself, but how can you support yourself? Use gadgets. Invest. Okay? So thank you, and this is Story Ronnie Herbel. I hope you will listen to me. Enjoy in your vlogging. Enjoy a content creator. It's okay. If you work it, then you will get success. But for me, I'm not really full time. I'm only a short time or part time in this vlog. But if I'm going to full time, I'm really sure my views and my earnings will be increased on this strategy. So this is your story, Ronnie Arabel, and see you the next video. Bye bye. God bless everyone.